Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. Today we are going to be creating an About Me presentation using Google Slides. So the first thing that we have to do is log into Rapid Identity. So once you log into Rapid Identity, your apps are going to come up on the screen like this. You're going to scroll down and find where your Google Drive app is. So once you find your Google Drive app, you're going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to open up your Google Drive. Once you're here, you're going to click on the plus sign that says New, and you're going to scroll down and click Google Slides, since that's what we're working with today. It'll open up a new presentation. Go ahead and title that presentation About Me, because this is all going to be about you, so that your teachers can get to know you a little bit more. Over here is where you can actually click a theme for your slideshow. So let's say I don't want this basic white Google slide. I can go down here and click a theme that I like that maybe says a little bit about me. So I'm going through all of these, and I really like the color purple. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now my whole Google Slides is going to have this theme. So here is where I can type. So I'm going to title this About Mrs. Thompson. And maybe I'll click, this is a slideshow about me. So to add a new slide, you're going to want to come over here, and you're going to want to press the plus sign. And that's going to give you a new slide. So let's say I want to talk about my favorite food. So my favorite type of food is, I have a lot, but honestly right now, my favorite type, oh my goodness, if I could type, favorite type of food is sushi. I love sushi. But that's kind of boring just leaving it like that. I want to do something fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image, a picture. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and I'm going to search the web, because it's going to pull up over here images that are on Google. So I'm going to type in sushi. And I'm going to get a whole bunch of pictures for sushi. Oh my goodness. I'm going to get so hungry looking at these pictures. Okay, I think I like this one. Oh, maybe this one. Maybe I'll put in a couple. So you click it and then you click Insert. Now, this picture of sushi is way too big for the slideshow. So I'm going to have to take these corners and I'm going to have to resize the picture. So maybe I'm going to put that one there. And you know what? I have room for another one. My favorite type of food is sushi. I also love to eat pasta. So let's go over here and remember I click image and search the web. Pasta. Ooh. I really love all pasta, but spaghetti and meatballs are pretty much my favorite. So I'm going to click spaghetti and insert. And again, that picture is going to come up pretty big, so I'm going to resize that. All right, so I have just created my first slide. Now, remember to create my next slide, I just press the plus button. And maybe this one I want to share with Miss Thompson my pets. I have 3 cats. Their names are Molly, Tom, and Callie. let's say that I have a picture of Molly, Tom, and Callie on my computer. Maybe you have a picture on your computer. You can go to Insert Image and you can go to Upload from Computer. And it's actually going to pull up your photos from your computer. I don't think I have any because I'm actually on Jeff's laptop, if you can tell. Let's see. Where are his photos? Pictures. I don't see any. No, I don't think I'm going to have any. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Insert, Image, and search the web. I'm going to type in a cat. And I'm going to try and find one that looks like my cat's. Let's see. This one kind of looks like my cat Tom. So I'm going to insert that one. Make it smaller. I'm going to insert again. This one looks a little bit like my cat Molly. And one last cat. I actually know the kind of cat. She's a calico cat. And she looks a little bit like this. All right, so there is my next slide. You're going to keep doing this until you answer all the about me's on the Canvas assignment. And if you want to switch your slides, let's say I want my pets to come first, all I have to do is press down and hold and slide up, and it switches my slides. All right, let's say that we're done. So what we need to do is we need to come over here and press share. And what you're going to do is you're going to press get link. So you're going to copy that link. And I'm going to show you how to submit that in the next video.